Hey everybody, my name is Brianna Haynes. Um, I am currently a second grade teacher, and I'm going to talk about the my previous experiences as an online learner. So, online learning wasn't my favorite when I first started because I was used to the teacher base, like the teacher teaches and we kind of go off what the teacher says. I was used to that style of teaching. Um, Online just wasn't. I guess that the teacher base was my normal. So online was something new and I didn't want to try something new. So my challenges, what were my challenges? So my challenges in being an online learner was kind of not having that person to remind me like, hey, this is due tomorrow, or don't forget about your paper next week. That was one of my challenges, having to keep up with things by myself, finding time to or finding time to make time for me to do my assignments. That was pretty hard. I have a child, so it's like, the weekends, that's our weekends, especially with the career field that we're in. We're busy Monday through Friday, and I also work a second job. So my challenges were just like time management for it. How have my challenges evolved? Now, I'm used to knowing that I need to log in. I'm used to marking down and highlighting due dates. I have a planner. A planner is what I use to plan. So that has helped me a lot. If that's how I have evolved over time, and it got better. It made me do better at organizing things like in my house. Um, how would I work? How did I work to overcome them? So my challenges, like I said, was my big challenge was time management, and I worked to overcome it by I started off with two planners, one for work and school, and then one for personal time. Well, of course, trying to keep it up with two documents that kind of got confusing because I would overlap with appointments and stuff like that. So I got one big planner. When I got that one big planner, I started to be able to look at the course calendars, highlight when things are due, highlight when they're late, highlight when I have to have them done, marked off things that I have accomplished or that I have completed. That helped out a lot, just being more organized. Those were my successes. Have I been able to build upon them? So yes, I do. I have been able to um, build upon them because it helped me, like I said, not only with school, but with my everyday life, getting it organized. Um, the property that I learned in the online learner that I would teach to my kids if I was an instructor would be time management. I mean, it's so important, especially because everything is relied upon you. You don't have that extra teacher or that extra voice telling you that things are due. You have to do it for yourself.